Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 28th on a Thursday, and taking a look at the Qs here. Even though the SPY is pretty much hanging out at all-time highs, Q's been kind of stuck in a range, and we could continue that into the open today. A lot's going to depend, I think, on how NVIDIA trades, but let's dive in. Not seeing a whole lot of setups today, but let's take a look at what we have here. First on the list is this BHC. Now, this is a pharmaceutical company. I do like the way it has pulled back, and if I can zoom in a little bit, you can see pulled back and caught this support, and then had a little green body yesterday. Just looking for a takeout of that high there at 730 there. This one is one I'll keep pretty tight. It needs to hold that ledge or at least these moving averages down here. So next on the list with silver seeing a little bit of gap up today. I got my eye on AU. AU just kind of been hanging out here. Looks kind of like the Qs, but I do like this. If it can get back above that 55, 51 level would be the trigger there. It's kind of some weird action in pre-market. Not sure what that was all about, but looking for that 55, 51 trigger there in AU. Intel's back on my list today. You can see this one kind of a constructive pattern, been holding this 10 period moving average and looking for a break above yesterday's high at 25.01 there in Intel. I am in a little bit of this, not much right now though. And the last one is a low floater, and it has a pretty decent short float, and this is a potential bottoming process. We'll see what happens here, but you got to be careful with this one. Only 22 million in the float, so it can be kind of wiki or not wiki, but anyway, volatile throughout the day. Trigger 1601 there, basically taking out that high and a little bit higher there, and 1601 would be the trigger there in that AEVA. I am already in a little bit of this as well. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep it tight, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.